All right, Doozer Shop coming at you. We're in front of the Rockford hydraulic open side planer, and you might remember I drained over 30 gallons of oil out of this thing, a little bit of water, a couple gallons of water, and I got it refilled with oil. Now if you remember way back, I brought this to Charlotte from Buffalo, New York, where my friend Jim C. had it for about 25 or 30 years. And I bought a brand new trailer, a Big Tex tilt deck trailer, to go up to New York State and get this thing. It's been in my shop, I'm gonna say two years, 3 years, no gosh, maybe it's even at least 3 years. But anyhow, you know, I've been cleaning the machine a little bit over the years, and boy oh boy, I'm glad I drained that oil out, because if you remember my last videos, cleaning it all up, got the inside of the machine spotless, and I bought 30 gallons of oil in 5-gallon containers. There's a place called Griffin Oil Company down the end of my street, Bill Griffin over there. So it was great. I was able to pick up this oil. It's AW68 hydraulic oil. Called for iso viscosity, or Cenopoise, Cenostoke 300. I think best I could tell it crosses over to this ISO 68. I'm super excited. I just clicked on the phase converter, both phase converters. So I'm running 12 horse for the phase converter, and this is a 10 horse motor. Let me take you handheld. Let me show you inside the hydraulic tank, and let's fire this bad boy up, okay? So, the power switch is here. Now all I did before I filled the oil, I put the one phase converter on, which is 6 horse, and I jogged it to see the rotation on the motor and check if it was correct, because you don't want to spin the pump backwards. And so to me that's just that, you know, clockwise. So anyhow, I got the ways cleaned off, stoned, oiled lightly. There's 30 gallons of fun right there. Service Pro brand. I think it's good oil. It's only available in hydraulic distributors, not farm and tractor oil or whatever you call it. It's good stuff, I think. But anyhow, I dumped it all. Let me show you in the, oh, let me show it. Hold on, let me get it. All right. Yeah, oh. You try and stick this in here without munking up the works. There's the pump. It's going to be sucking from there. And there's the 3 weirs are covered. If I drop this camera in the oil, I'll be very upset. But anyhow, let me scoot you guys back out. Let's go around to the side and hit the start button. First time here, folks. Here we go. 12 horse for the phase converter. 10 horse hydraulic motor driving a Vickers pump. First time, guys. Here we go. it comes on the camera, but it is spinning the right direction. Let's show you down. Oh man. You can see the weir. You can see the oil flowing. There's the foam in there to get you in. Not sure how long I need to run this. I got so much stuff. Block of wood. All right. Alright. Sorry if I'm yelling. I know I got some junk on the table, but whatever. Turn this around. Alright. Yeah, you can see that. Alright, got some controls right here. I'm going to look and see if the ways are oiled, receiving oil. I got the needle valve turned up to 3 turns open, which is what they recommend. It's hard to tell what's going on. Put it low and ease that hydraulic valve open. Well, folks, I'm going to show you. Alright. Kind of cool. Not exactly all I was expecting, but let me stone these ways. Let me wipe them off. Let me stone them. Let me kill this sucker. Good God in heaven. Yeah, as I said, I'm going to see what all this is about. I was sitting there covering all this up, so I couldn't tell. I think it's solder. I think somebody pulled a trick like I've soldered ways before. All right, let me clean this a little bit, and I'll bring you more information. But I'm super happy. I'm happy it's at least moving. So I'm gonna check it out a little bit, clean it up, and maybe we'll do some stroking on this puppy. All right, stay tuned. All right. Maybe not super interesting. Maybe not. I'll try to film it. Got a stone here. I'm going over the ways. This is an India stone. And using paint thinner as a lubricant, whatever. This is the better way without the scoring, without the solder, or whatever that is. I think it's solder. It could be Belzoa epoxy, but I don't know. Some minor little lines in here, nothing too bad. So this stone is banana shaped. It's not a flat stone. So this is the concave side, so I'm running the edges. I went over it with the banana side, the bow side, and then now I'm just finishing with the edges. You can feel it cut, and then you know where to concentrate your effort. Oh, don't drop it, Doozer. I scraped this little rusty bologna off before I got the stone working here. I need to try and heat up that stuff and see if it's metal filled epoxy or if it's solder or lead or babbitt or... It's not bad right there. Yeah, this side is really decent. Concentrate my efforts on this side. Like I say, probably have to edit this quite a bit. Well, let me get the scratches out of the iron, at least. Say, if this is lead, I can just add to it with solder and have a happy situation. If it's epoxy, boy, I guess I'd have to dig it out and redo it. I don't know. I'm just debating what to do right now. I don't want to run this thing until at least I clean this, but I don't want this stuff coming out and gnarling inside in between the tables. I don't know. Let me keep playing with it. Do the shop. Alright guys, I got the waves cleaned up very well, stoned them down. What I'm going to do now is re-oil them. There is some oil I squirted on there. I'm going to make sure I coat everything. Let's give this a whirl. I gotta spool up the phase converters. Roll on one, roll on two. You start up the guy. Just let it run a bit. Alright, let's see what it'll do. Wow, that's pretty fast. Alright, that's better. That it got tight there. It's weird that it got tight there. Very weird. Weird. See how it's getting tight down there? wonder if that's a gib issue. I'm wondering if it's oiling on this side. Wonder where the gib is. Maybe it's that side. Maybe it's not adjustable in an easy fashion. Doesn't seem like this way is getting the lubrication. I mean, it's got some. Smoother. I'll run it for a while and see how she does. There she is, folks. Running. For the first time in probably 30 or 35 years. She's running. Pretty cool. I guess that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching me resurrect this planer. We'll keep working on it, keep cleaning it up.